Are you getting it? That's fun, huh? What's your other one? Here. That's the last one. Good job. Can I have that? Thank you. Finish opening this one. Here, give me that. Can I have the paper? Yes. Thank you. Here you go. Good job. Here it comes. What's that one? Baby's first quack. Good job. Tell Auntie Karen, thank you very much for my books. I like them all. I like the tissue paper just as much. We love you. Can you smile for her or something? Madison. Yes. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Good job.